Hey everyone, welcome back to Module 11, where we're going to be talking about nutrition and consumption. This week in the learning materials, there's a short lecture on nutrition and consumption. We'll be talking about the what, when, and how Americans eat, how that's changed over time. And we'll also cover a little bit on nutrition and specifically what a public health nutritional approach is. So that is followed by a few videos on processed food. So I think we've done a little bit on processed food, but it's interesting to think about processed food and ultra processed food in light of consumption and nutrition. So your assignment this week is another peer-led discussion. So I'll be looking forward to coming back together on Yellow Dig to see what our group presents and also all of your comments and reflections on that. Okay, thank you. Have a great week.